3 best index funds you can start investing in today with only $500. Hey y'all, what's happening? I'm Rescue, serial entrepreneur, brand strategist, investor, and a philanthropist. It is my hope that this video helps inspire you to take action now. No, I'm not here to impress you, but to impress upon you that it is all possible to elevate higher. So let's get right into it. This is your life guide. So I want to reveal 3 of the best top index funds that you should consider investing into. It is crucial if you're going to build wealth or if you're going to amass any type of financial freedom. It is important that index funds becomes part of your financial strategy. It is no secret that Warren Buffett, one of the most famous investors, have gained a lot of his net worth through index fund investment. I will speak briefly about 3 of the top best index funds, but most importantly, I do have a bonus which I will be sharing, which I think, in my opinion, is one of the best. So you definitely want to watch this video through so you can have more knowledge if you do not already know this yet, but if you do, then it will be a brush on. So I think it's really important for you to consider these options and expand and diversify your portfolio with index funds. So hopefully you could find some value in this video. So go ahead and smash the like button, show some love, and let's get started. Let's do it, right? By all means, this is just for informational purposes, so make sure you do your due diligence in understanding how the stock market works and how to put your portfolio together. But I kid you not, index funds investment is definitely one of the best options you can use in your strategies. So make sure that you dive deep into understanding more of the options that there is. Check out the video right here so you can understand some of the popular index fund options that are available for you to take advantage of right now. So one of the first ones on my list is SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust, ticker symbol SPY. This index fund is actually one of the oldest. It actually started back in 1993. It helped kick the wave of ETF investing that has become the most popular today. As of July 2020, it had $287 billion in assets, ranking it among one of the most popular ETFs. The fund is sponsored by State Street Global Advisors, another heavyweight in the industry, and it tracks all the most powerful companies, biggest companies in S&P 500. The index is composed of the biggest companies. Each company is an index, also have a positive earning in the most recent quarter. So composition of S&P 500 will mean that you are one of the best companies in earnings as well as the most recent 4 quarters. The SPY is simply just mirroring or tracking some of the best performing companies in the S&P 500. Buying into any index funds means that you are buying into some of the best companies. At the end of the day, you will be getting a slice of all the best performing companies that are on the US stock market. To truly understand the growth of this index fund, let's just say you invest $100,000 into SPY index fund. On its first day of trading, on January 22nd, 1993, you would have been worth, or you would have amassed close to $1 million in 2020. That's huge. That's simply putting your money in there to work for you. The SPY has topped 70% of its peers, both active and passive, in performance over the last decade. It has 7.8 average annual gain over the past 10 years as of March 2020. Now, the second one on my list, which you should definitely consider on your journey of building wealth, is the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. ticker symbol VTI. VTI tracks the performance of the CRSP US Total Market Index. VTI tracks and covers over 3,500 of publicly traded companies. This index fund constitute nearly 4,000 across mega, large, small, micro capitalizations, representing nearly 100% of the US investable equity market. Since its inception, the fund had returned 7.12%. 7.12% as of May 2020. The VTI is a market capitalization weighted index that measures the entire investable US equity market. In essence, it is a very diversified traded fund. Imagine, being an owner, a fraction of an owner of all the best performing companies. VTI is one of the most diversified index funds for you to choose from. That's why index funds are one of the best options, because there are little to no fees as far as your money is just there making money for you. VTI is known for having a low expense ratio of 0.03%. That basically means should you invest about $1,000, your fees, any fees at all, will be about 30 cents. That's amazing. The third on the list, which is arguably one of the best, in my opinion, is ARKK. Simply because it really is not that much conservative at all. ARKK is an actively managed ETF that seeks long-term growth of capital by investing under normal circumstances primarily at around 65% of its assets in domestic and foreign equity securities. ARKK is very, very bullish about disruptive companies run by Catherine Woods, a veteran investor. Now, they focus 65% of their assets and their securities on some of the top and most disruptive, innovative companies like Tesla. I kid you not, these companies, I truly believe, are the future, are the present, doing some amazing things, and in their portfolio, they really push a lot of these tech companies. ARKK companies really include and rely on benefits from the development of new products or services, technological improvements, advancements, science, research relating to DNA, genomic revolution, industrial innovation in energy, automation, manufacturing, and a whole lot of really technological companies that are really changing the way things work today. ARK defines disruptive innovation as an introduction of technological enabled new product or services that potentially changes the way the world works. I believe those who dare to dream changes the world. I truly believe that ARKK, and looking into their portfolio, some of the companies that they represent will really change this world. So I have them as my number 3 on this list of index funds that you should invest in. I tend to be very moderate, but also times very aggressive in my investments. There's not much to lose on some of these that I'm listing out to you. You should definitely go and do your due diligence to understand what will work best for you. As always, I like to give you my bonus suggestion, and I think it is one of the best performing index funds, proven record, that you must consider, and is none other than the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, VOO. The fund is a market capitalization weighted index. Invest in stocks in the S&P 500 index, representing 500 of the largest US companies. The only major difference in these two, SPY and VOO, is their expense ratio. SPY has their expense ratio at 0.09%, while VOO has its expense ratio at 0.03%. In the S&P 500, we know we have Amazon, we have Apple, we have Microsoft. Some of these big tech giants actually represent about 20% of the whole S&P 500. So although there's a whole lot of other companies, because of their market capitalization, they actually worth a lot more. And so anyway, these few lists of index funds are definitely some of the best choices that you can choose from, and definitely start investing today. So what are your thoughts? Consider commenting down below. What are some of your choices or index funds that you're considering, or what are you already invested in? Let me know in the comment down below. Make sure you watch this video right here so you can see the difference between some of these index fund options that may be right for you. Well, folks, I appreciate you for your time. Please click, smash, and like. Give me all that and love, the thumbs up button, and also click on the notification so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. As a way to support and encourage me to create more videos to inspire others. It also helps the algorithm populate the message faster to those who like to watch this. So go ahead and share with few people, 2 or 3 people. That would be a great support for my channel. I truly appreciate you. Looking forward to sharing more exciting videos with you. I have more resources down below, so make sure you check them out. Some will be very resourceful to your life journey, and definitely will also be supporting our channel. Well, that's about it for now. Remember, knowledge is power, but the application of knowledge is powerful. You have greatness within you. Tap into it. Thank you for watching. Really, I mean that. I'm Rescue, and this is your life guide. I'm Rescue, and this is your life guide. I'm Rescue, and this is your life guide. I'm Rescue. I'm Rescue, and this is your life guide.